Hola, welcome to Science Club, where we learn smart, not hard. In this video I will explain the structure and use of the periodic table. I will skip the whole talk about the history and creation of the periodic table. The periodic table is a way to organize elements. This is done by first sorting the elements by the increasing atomic number from left to right and then from up to down. The atomic number, also known as the proton number, is written for each element on the upper left corner. Besides sorting the elements by the atomic number, there are groups and periods. Groups are the vertical columns, periods are the horizontal rows. Each row represents another electron shell. Valence electrons, which are the electrons participating making bonds, are in the outermost electron shell. Elements in a group have similar chemical behavior and often have similar reactions to elements of other groups. There are two ways to count the groups. The first way is to simply count the groups from left to right, from 1 to 18. The second way we count is 1A, 2A, and skip the groups 3 to 12 to continue with 3A up to group 8A. By using the second way, we can determine the number of valence electrons, and using the octet rule we can guess possible chemical behavior. The elements in group 1, also known as alkali metals, have one valence electron. The alkali elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. These elements are extremely reactive and thus not found in nature lying around except in combination with other elements. Since they only have one electron, valence electron, they readily lose their outermost electron to make bonds. Even though hydrogen is also in the first group, it is a non-metal and an exception to the group. In the second group are the alkaline earth metals. They have two valence electrons and are less reactive than the alkali metals. Nonetheless, they are still very reactive. The most common elements in this group are beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. The elements in group 3 to 12 are known as transition metals. Their common properties as metals are that they have high melting points. Except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature, every other metal is solid. Furthermore, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. Besides that, they are also ductile, meaning they deform instead of breaking. This can be used to form them into all different kinds of shapes, be it jewelry or wires. The next group I want to talk about are the halogens. We find them in group 7A or 17. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine are here. Halogens are very reactive nonmetals and have 7 valence electrons. The name halogen translates to salt former. The last group I am going to talk about are the noble gases. They are found in group 8A or 18. Some of the elements in this group are quite famous, like helium and neon. Their characteristic is that they are very unreactive. Here I have listed a short summary for the periodic table of elements. Leave a like and comment if I could help you, and look forward to my next videos.